Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to set or change the Mozilla Firefox homepage. And without further ado, let's go ahead. So all you have to do is open up on Firefox browser, and then dito lang sa upper right side i-click mo lang yung 3-line icon na to, so click mo lang yan. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung settings. So, i-click mo lang yan. And then dito sa settings, and then next step ay kailangan mong select dito yung home, yung pinakauna lang. So, click mo lang yan. And then kung paano ba natin i-set yung Firefox homepage. So, makikita mo kaagad dito yung new windows and tabs. Choose what you see when you open your homepage, new windows and new tabs. Okay, so may dalawang options dito na settings. Ito yung homepage, new windows and new tabs. Dito sa right side ay nandito kung paano ba natin ito i-set or i-modify. So, i-click mo lang tong arrow na to dito sa homepage and new windows. And then, pwede ka lang mag-select dito kung default, customize URLs, or blank page. Okay, so kapag select mo tong customize URL, pwede ka lang mag-paste dito ng website URL. Dito siya. And then, pwede mong gamitin tong use current page. And then, pwede naman itong use bookmark. So, i-click mo lang yan. And then lalabas itong kanyang set homepage. So select ka lang dito sa bookmarks toolbar. And then dito sa bookmarks menu. Okay, so for example, select mo itong Mozilla. And then next ay kailangan mo na i-click itong okay. Alright? And then dito naman sa kanyang new tab. So same procedure. Click mo lang itong arrow na to. And then pwede ka nang mag-select dito kung default or blank page. Ayan. So napakasimple lang mga kaibigan. Okay, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to set Mozilla Firefox homepage. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.